How to activate Qwikcilver Amazon gift card. So if you want to activate your Qwikcilver Amazon gift card, then first you need to just open up your browser, or if you have the application, you can go with the Amazon application as well. So just go with your browser, and under search you need to just search for Amazon. Once you search for Amazon, go with the first option, which is www.amazon.com, and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, just go with the top right, which has that account option. Just tap on your name and then tap on account. Now under account here, you will have an option of manage gift card balance. So if you don't have that option, you can also go with the gift card section. So tap on gift card. Now you just need simply go with redeem a gift card. So tap on the option, and here you need to enter your claim code. So in my case, I don't have any gift cards right now. So if you have your gift card, then you just need to simply go and enter your gift card code. And after that, go with the right side, which has apply to your balance button. So tap on the button and you'll be able to activate your Qwikcilver Amazon gift card. So that's how you can activate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.